Ricci and I played Angel.
I'm Ampi Siete Reales. I played Mimi Marquez.
I'm JM Rodriguez. I played Mark.
I'm Jamie Wilson. I play Benny.
And then I played Joanne.
I'm Glory. I was part of the ensemble and I was understudy for Maureen.
I'm Rachel. I played Mimi.
I'm Joel. I was in the ensemble and I also understudied Mark.
I'm Michael, and I played Tom Collins.
I'm Jake Macapagal. I played Angel tonight.
And I'm Beatrice. I'm an ensemble and understudy with Joanne.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Rent Manila. Let's do this.
December 24th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. From here on in, I shoot without a script. See if anything comes of it instead of my old shit. First shot Roger, tuning his Fender guitar he hasn't played in a year. This won't tune, so we hear. He's just coming back from half a year off with Raw.
Are you talking to me?
Not at all. Are you ready? Hold it, focus, steady. Tell the folks at home what you're doing, Roger.
I'm writing one great song.
The phone rings. Saved. We screen, zoom in on the answering machine. Beep.
That was a very loud beep. I don't even know if this is working. Mark, are you there? Are you screening your calls? It's Mom. We wanted to call and say we love you and we'll miss you tomorrow. Cindy and the kids are here, send their love. Oh, I hope you like the hot plate. Just don't leave it on, dear, when you leave the house. Oh, and Mark, we're sorry to hear that Maureen dumped you. I say la vie. So let her be a lesbian. There are other fishes in the sea. Love, Mom.
The power blows. How do you document real life when real life's getting more like fiction each day? Headlines, breadlines blow my mind, and now this deadline, eviction or pay. Rent!
How do you write a song when the chords sound wrong? When they once sounded right and rare? When the notes are sour, where is the power you once had to ignite the air?
We're hungry and frozen like the chosen. How we gonna pay? How we gonna pay? How we gonna pay last year's rent? We light candles.
How do you start a fire when there's nothing to burn and it feels like something stuck in your flue?
How can you generate heat when you can't feel your feet and you're turning blue?
Light up a replay,
We posters.
replays.
How we gonna pay? How we gonna pay? How we gonna pay last year's rent?
Don't scream, Maureen, it's me, Joanne, your substitute production manager. Hey, did you eat? Don't change the subject, Marie. But darling, you haven't eaten all day. You won't throw up. The digital delay didn't blow up exactly. There may have been one teeny tiny spark. You're not calling Mark.
How do you stay on the street when on every street is trick or treat? And tonight it's trick. Welcome back to town, or I should lie down. Everything's brown and oh, I feel sick.
Where is he?
Getting busy.
How we gonna pay? How we gonna pay? How we gonna pay last year's rent?
Allison, baby, you sound sad. I can't believe those two after everything I've done. Ever since our wedding, I'm dirt. You'll see that can help them all out in the long run.
The music ignites the night with passion and fire.
I can think.
The narration crackles and pumps with incendiary wind.
I need a drink.
Zoom in as they burn the past to the ground and feel the heat of the future's glow. Hello, Marine. Your equipment won't work? Okay, alright, I'll go.
How do you leave the past behind?